Welcome to English grammar lessons. Types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. All these tenses are of four types. First, indefinite tense; second, perfect tense; third, continuous tense; fourth, perfect continuous tense. In this post, we will discuss about perfect tense, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to show that a work has been done. It has already been completed and the same is over now. For example, she has painted a picture. Boys have finished their homework. This shows that the picture has already been painted and completed by her. And the boys have already finished their homework. In this tense, the words has and have are used with third form of verb. In case of first person and second person singular and plural, and third person plural, the word have is used with third form of verb. In case of third person singular, has word is used with the third form of verb. For example, I have written a letter to him, or we have written a letter to him. He has committed a mistake. Third person singular, he has committed a mistake. Children is a plural word. With it, have will be used. Children have finished their work. We have taken our meals. Negative sentences. In negative sentences with has and have, the word not is used and third form of verb is used. For example, boys have not gone to school today. She has not done her work. I have not taken my meals today. You have not made any mistake. Interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentences, for first person, second person, singular and plural, and third person plural, the word have is used before subject. For third person singular, the word has is used. At the end of the sentence, interrogative sign is used. Has and have are used in the beginning of the sentence before subject. For example, has he gone to the market? In its simple and affirmative form, this sentence is he has gone to the market. But as an interrogative sentence, it is has he gone to the market? Have you taken your meals? Have they lent you any money? Has the girl finished her work? Similarly, in interrogative negative sentences, has, have is used before the subject and not issued before third form of verb. For example, have you not gone to school today? Has she not finished her work? Have I not consulted you? Have the girls not sung a song? The past perfect tense is also used to represent a past action as continuing to the present, as I have known him from childhood. This shows that I have been knowing him since his childhood and I still continue to know him now. We have stayed here for 10 days. This sentence shows that we have been staying here for last 10 days and still we are staying there now. Note the distinction between he has lived here for 4 years. He lived here for 4 years. Sentence 1 shows that he is still living here. Sentence 2 shows that he is living here no longer. Similarly, following sentences, he is to go, he has to go. Sentence 1 shows intention of the subject to do a work. Sentence 2 shows that the subject is forced to do a work. Note, has come, is come. These two forms have not the same meaning and do not belong to the same tense. I have come is the present perfect tense and denotes present time. In the form I am come, the word come is not a part of tense but is part participle used as complement to verb am. It refers to the agent. Present perfect tense, affirmative sentences. First, second person singular and plural and third person plural have plus third form of verb. Third person singular has plus third form of verb. Negative sentences has, have and not and third form of verb. Interrogative sentences has or have in the beginning of sentences and third form of verb and rest of it as above. Disclaimer. The writer has taken all care to provide correct information according to his knowledge and information on the post. However, he is not responsible for the error if there is any in it. Please check with other source also before accepting it. Any resemblance of the material with that of any digital or material source is incidental and writer is not responsible for the same in any way. This is without any prejudice to anyone concerned or not concerned with this.